I like to think of taming my scraps the same way I would doing the dishes. So I don't cut into new yardage or new fat quarters to cut strips from. I will take the leftovers of a project as I am cleaning up from that project. And if that piece of fabric is smaller than, say, half a fat quarter, you can judge what size you want to. I will cut it down into the sizes of strips that work together to form most traditional patchwork blocks.
Okay.
So for instance, I will work with 1.5-inch strips, 2-inch strips, 2.5-inch strips, and 3.5-inch strips. These all come from cutting down the leftovers of the previous project that I'm working on.
Okay, so why those numbers?
Because the math works to create the units that we work with the most. I can sew 3.5-inch strips together, and these are directly from my scraps from my cutting table, so they don't match anything. I can sew 3 of these together and pair it with a 3.5-inch strip. The math works, okay? You can sew 2-inch strips together and come up with the same strip set height of 3.5 inches. I can sew a 2.5 to a 1.5, and it comes out to 3.5 inches.